fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other video. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update on what happened to House of Zwide today's full episode. Quickly, let me give you a recap on what happened yesterday. Whatever uuna ayenzayo kuNeo, it's working because the guy uyabona na ukuthi unesikhwelo. Manje secret Gabra Ike and Maria it's out. Only Mulefe knows about it, but it's just a matter of time ukuthi Umlefe ayikhulume atshele bantu about the secret. Mulefe was in disbelief of what he saw outside. He is talking to a picture of his late sister Ria. On today's full episode, Mulefe usamangele about what he saw esalon. Manje nomntanakhe uyakhala akazwi lutho and uDorothy uyambuza ukuthi wenzakalani because now you're acting snacks. Hayi kumnandi kwaLove, uMampho and Soga are now back together and kulovely. Ike is busy asking umndeni wakhe ukuthi did they hear the wind outside yesterday? Just want to know ukuthi did they see them or whatnot. He even cooked ukubakhohlisa about what they might be so. Kodwa it's unfortunate ukuthi Umlefe yena uyena abone yonke into and now yena akasibhayi, he just went out. Ucabanga ukuthi uBra Ike betrayed his late sister Ria. Bra Ike called a family meeting so that they can talk and arrange few things that left ukuthi bazoyenzani nge-unveiling ka-Ria and ubani ozoba aphetheni. Everyone was getting their department that they will be working on. Keletso wants to give a speech since Ria was her mother and Bra Ike wamtshela ukuthi she must be short because it's something small. Bra Ike wathi uMaria wants to help with cookings. Then Mulefe was against it because khona into ayibonile and yena akazwani noMaria. Manje he just wanna make things up ukuthi uMaria wants to make sisters unveiling a one-man show. Sansa is now happy that Soga and Mampho are back together. And Dorothy wants to know why Mulefe is behaving like that, but yena akafuni ukukhuluma. Neo uyahamba uya ku-owner uyomtshela ukuthi ngine-pitch engifuna ukwenzela yona, cela usale after work. I wonder i-pitch yani. Bra Ike tells Maria that Mulefe don't want her to help. And by that time, Mulefe was listening to their conversation. By the looks, uyabona ukuthi uMaria is hurt, kodwa she's understanding ukuthi this is a family thing. I know speech is personal. The pitch was about getting Una back. He went all out to win Una back. My question now is that will he win her or he's just wasting his time? Bra Ike is telling Maria that after the unveiling, he wants to sit the family down and tell them about his affair with Maria. Thank you very much for watching. That was all for today. Till we meet in the next video.